my YouTube channel AP's World, Abhishek Patil's World, and today I'm going to bring you another vlog. So this time the vlog is going to be on one of the best resorts in Lonavala, and the resort name is Paryas Resort.
We have good amount of slides as well, and soon we'll be going to enjoy the slides.
Okay. So guys, this resort is a 5-star property and it is located in the heart of Lonavala. So we have been here on a couple of occasions, but unfortunately we couldn't get a chance to make a vlog. So this time, we have planned this journey on the occasion of my father's birthday. So I hope this journey is full of energy, enthusiasm and excitement. So I think it is raining heavily, but still we are going to enjoy all their amenities because it is irresistible. Like,
Yes.
So
I love slides.
yeah, so we are definitely going to enjoy each and every amenity over here. So let's explore all the amenities and facilities of this resort. Okay guys, so let's go.
Yay! Right.
And finally we arrive at our destination. Paryas Resort, Lonavala. Okay, and here we are at Paryas Resort. Okay. Nice. Okay, this is their reception area. Okay, my wife is already doing the check-in formalities. Modu. Very nice.
Blueberry and Canberry. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay guys, time for lunch. Let's see what we have got for lunch. Chi! आम करायचं का ची? Let's check their menu. All we have got here, Motu.
Fish with pepper garlic sauce.
Okay.
Soya mustard roasted chicken. You'll like this chicken.
Nice. Okay, so we are starting with lunch. Okay, I am starting with salad.
I'm starting with salad, but my kid is having chicken.
Okay, what all have you got?
I have pasta in it. I have
Okay.
corn salad.
Okay.
This is fish. This is chicken.
Oh, great, great,
and this
great.
is like bun.
हाय
bun
चिची काय खायचं तुला चिची वा वा गुड गुड छान Okay, so hello guys, let's take a tour of our room. Okay, so we have booked 2 rooms basically over here, one for us and one for my parents. Okay, so let's take a tour. Okay,
And main thing is they are interconnected.
yeah.
This is our room. This is our in-laws room. We have our luggage in.
Luggage already placed it. See.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the washroom.
Okay.
There's
This
a
is
bathtub.
bathtub.
Yeah. That's good.
Nice.
You can do a high.
Ah. Okay, included this side.
Yeah. It's a quite good good room. We have a very good view. Hi. Just a minute. This is the best place.
think the best part of having these rooms is both these rooms are interconnected. So let's say if you are planning to stay,
With family.
with family, so I think this can be a best option for you. Okay, so yeah,
We
this
have
is
a
how it is
room here.
interconnected.
Yes. There is door both the sides.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi.
Bye. My son is already enjoying, huh? I mean, features are similar. It's
Similar,
just that it is interconnected.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Guys, time to enjoy water activities. Okay, so let's go. अरे यार बहुत बारिश हो रही है, हम लोग को पानी नहीं जाना है.
Bye. All the best.
Bye. दादा हे बघ.
इकडे बघ. Hi. Bye, Dash. Bye.
Okay guys, so let's see their amenities. Okay. This is kind of indoor swimming pool. Nice pool, huh? This is temperature controlled, it seems, right, Motu?
Yes.
Okay. My wife is trying her hand at carom. Yeah?
Yeah.
Just try one shot. Let's see.
I don't know much.
Oh, nice one. Okay. Let's see what are all other things they have got. I think this is pool table, but maybe since it is raining heavily, they might have closed this. Okay. And I think this is TT section. Okay. Nice. Very beautiful. Okay guys, so let's explore kids zone. Okay, let's see what all things we have got here. Okay.
Yeah, that is the reason he didn't. Yesterday, my kid was playing here.
Hello guys, so I am back to Pune. So I would quickly like to summarize about this resort, Parias Resort. So this resort is a beautiful 5-star property which is located in Lonavala amidst green lush trees and picture perfect mountain. So proximity wise, if I have to say, this resort is around 70 kilometers from Pune and is very well connected to the highway. So definitely you can enjoy a hassle-free trip. If I have to talk about the room services, this resort has got a variety of rooms. So you can get the details through any online portal. You can do the booking through any online portal, or you can simply call them and you can get the reservations done. So room services are also very good. We are very much satisfied, with the room services being provided at this resort. So whenever if you have any concerns, any questions, any problems, you can immediately call them, and they are there to ensure that all your concerns are sorted on priority basis. If I have to talk about the food, The food is very good over here. Basically, we went for all meals inclusive plan. So I mean, definitely this resort has a multi-cuisine restaurant, and you would enjoy different delicacies being provided by this resort. And also the food services are very good. So definitely you can ensure that you savor each and every mouthful. If I have to talk about the amenities, so amenities wise also this resort is very good. So it has got a kind of mini water park where you can enjoy different slides, and you can definitely spend a considerable amount of time over there. So apart from that, it has also got other amenities like play park is there, children's play park is there. Then indoor games like carom is there, snooker is there, table tennis is there, and of course there is indoor swimming pool as well, which is temperature controlled. So I mean, most of the people in rainy seasons, I mean, they avoid going outside and they try to enjoy the indoor activities. So apart from this, besides this, this resort has also got gym is there, and of course spa facilities are also there. So overall, if I have to say, I mean, we enjoyed our stay over here and we are really happy. It was kind of memorable and mesmerizing experience for us. So this was about my vlog, and hope you have enjoyed my vlog. And if you really have, then do like, share and subscribe my channel. So guys, I will be back soon with my another vlog. So until then, take care, bye bye, and see you soon. Bye.